Hey guys, welcome back. I'll be doing some more trash picking today since it is garbage day. I haven't fixed that blue diamondback bike we had got. Haven't tested the speakers. Haven't attempted to sell anything we've actually gotten yet. So, today, after I ride around for a bit, I'm going to try to find out if any of those things are useful or if I should just throw them away. I know the bike is fixable, just needs some WD-40 in the brakes and that steam cleaner. I'm not even sure what's wrong with that thing, if there even is anything wrong with it. Let's go. So yesterday, I stayed over. Maybe it wasn't yesterday. Maybe it was 2 days ago. Whatever. I was over at my friend Zach's house, and I'll put his channel link in the description again because you guys aren't visiting his channel, which is kind of sad. In fact, most of you guys only watch my videos for like a minute and 30 seconds, so you guys got to try to do better than that. I mean, honestly. But anyway, back on topic. We were over at his house. We went fishing. We caught some crazy stuff. Some fish that were pretty close to the state record. So let's go check it out. Yeah, and then his neighborhood friend found a Gucci belt in someone's garbage that valued at $75, which isn't much, but he's not going to sell it anyway. He's just going to wear it. I did ride around last night with a neighbor for like 2 hours, and only thing we found was a dresser, which probably could get 40 bucks out of, and then a desk with like a china cabinet on top, which should be around 100 bucks. My dad found 2 chlorine cans, which saved $16, and found like a little chest of sorts for like holding school supplies or something. It's small. But then also found a big bag of souvenirs. So I'm gonna go through them all and see if any of them are worth anything. I would, but I don't have the means of bringing that home. It's a little kid's car seat. Our neighbor sold one of them for 50 bucks. See, finding all this stuff is the easy part. It's getting rid of it all. Sometimes you'll have stuff that's worth a lot of money. It's just not the right people are looking at it. Swing. Oh my gosh, that little playset brought back so much memories. I had this thing one at my grandma's house. And every week after church when we go over to her house, it was just like, that's the first thing you do, is you just go back there and you go play. Oh, those are good times.